In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Whatever you decided, when you're ready to take a photo and add it, use this plus on the left. Then select camera in the pop-up. Take a picture, and in order to retake it, hit retake at the top left corner. To manage it, use those options at the bottom left corner, Edit and Markup. To send it instantly, tap on blue button, and to only attach it to your message for now, hit Done at the top right corner. If you want to add already existing photos, use the same plus, and this time select Photos. Now scroll down and tap on all of your pictures you wanna add. If you can't find them, you can use searching options at the bottom, or hit Collections at the top and look for them here. After finding all of your photos, click on the checkmark at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!